PMSA is the leading and largest manufacturer and supplier in Africa of a complete range of concrete equipment, including brick, block and paving making machinery and technology. The company specializes in a comprehensive range of brick and block making machinery from startup to large-scale plants. On the medium scale, PMSA offers the RE600 block machine. The mobile RE600 is a startup-sized plant for the serious beginner and can achieve brick production of up to 28,000 bricks per 9-hour shift. The RE600 block machine is permanently mounted on a purpose-built truck trailer which is easily transported from site to site and requires minimal permanent infrastructure on the site. It features a wooden laminated production board size of 530 mm by 608 or 630 mm. The plant is available with a range of configurations for batching and wet site production handling, either by gantry or manual offtake of the boards, depending on the client's requirements. Aggregates are measured out in wheelbarrows before being loaded manually into the loader skip, but a radial or bulkhead and boom scraper can be used in cases where more permanent installation is required. Cement in the required ratio is then loaded manually from bags into the loader skip. The combined aggregates and cement are then hoisted up for discharge into a pan mixer, which is typically a 300-litre turbine mixer. Where a topping feed is required, a separate 200-litre mixer is normally used for finer coloured topping of pavers. After thorough mixing, the finished concrete mix is discharged onto the conveyor belt and fed into the holding hopper. The feeder box fills the concrete mix into a mold box through a simple manual or PLC-controlled hydraulic cylinder, which pushes the feed box back and forth whilst accurately and evenly filling the mold. The tamper is also controlled and moved through a hydraulic cylinder which can deliver a high top tamper force if required, giving a higher density through both compaction and vibration. The RE600 comes with the optional variable vibration frequency and PLC control. The two counterbalance vibration shafts are driven and synchronized through a 2-gear system used on the shaft vibrators, which allow for true vertical directional vibration. The RE600 can be supplied with a full range of molds from the manufacture of hollow bricks, pavers, retaining wall and decking blocks, concrete curbstones and building bricks. While the machine is in operation, machine parameters can be changed using a touchscreen interface on the control desk when supplied with an HMI or PLC control automation. Machines are supplied standard with manual hydraulic control for the operation of feeder box and pallet feeding operation. One side of the RE600, the wet side conveying system, can be fitted with a chain conveyor, taking the wet product and wooden pallets away from the machine to the stacking area for initial curing. Packing of pallets straight from the chain conveyor can be done by hand, or with the use of an optional travelling gantry and hoist system. The wet product is placed either onto a concrete slab in a permanent installation or, in the case of a mobile plant, onto the ground carefully to keep the wooden pallet off the ground using the most appropriate method. Once the pallets have been stacked up to the correct height, the wet product must be covered with plastic sheeting to allow for initial curing of the concrete for 24 to 48 hours depending on the product being produced. Once curing is completed, the pallets and cured product are moved manually off and away from the curing area to be manually stacked into pallets, left to cure for a further period until the required MPa strength is achieved, before being transported to the site ready for use. All electronic and electric control panels supplied by PMSA are designed and manufactured in-house by PMSA. PMSA has the business philosophy of built to last. This is a customer-centric approach to business where the customer is assured of equipment that is designed and built to last for decades. We consistently invest in the latest business processes and best-in-class engineering machinery, people, and systems to make sure the PMSA business is built to last.